have it used all the time. I mean, come on, that's like that's.
That is so fun, dude. That's incredible.
No one's in the car.
Nobody's in the car. Yeah. Yo, what is going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. You guys are well familiar with Mr. Ed here. He has had, let's see, 3 different cars featured on the channel so far.
One was not. The OG.
What do you mean? Which one?
The G35.
That was here?
It was here?
Yeah, we went off-roading with the Lexus.
Too.
I don't know. I don't remember, but I know we took it off-roading with the Lexus, which was...
That's true then, yeah.
That was a good time. We got stuck in all sorts of fun stuff. Anyway, Ed is on a roll of upgrading his cars all the time, almost every year as a matter of fact. And today, he has just picked up the brand new car. Now, let's get a little startup on it real quick first before I show you what we got here. See if you guys can tell. First V8.
Might be an LS.
Might be an LS, but it is not. You got the 2026
Mustang GT Premium.
Mustang GT. This thing is pretty sweet, man. I mean, absolutely clean. Super sweet color. What kind of color is this again?
Vapor blue.
Vapor blue.
So, and like this lighting, you can see it's not fully bright. It looks more blue. It looks more gray. And the lighting, there's a blue pearlescent kind of in the paint. So in the dark it looks stealthy, and the bright it looks like blue.
Yes, nice. It looks absolutely insane. We're gonna hop in this thing real quick. You guys got to, well, I've got to experience it, and you've got to experience as much as you can over the camera, unless if you can find yourself a friend who has one of these. It smells so good, dude.
It's got heated and cooled seats, heated and cooled steering wheel. It's got Bang & Olufsen speakers, so it's almost loaded minus the adaptive suspension. But to me, that's more than enough.
Yes.
A car like this.
No, it is awesome. And he purchased the car with 60 miles on it, and now it has almost 200 2 days later. So this is insane.
Only thing I will say is a full tank is 150 miles to empty.
Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah, it's terrible. Based on it picks up the driving. So I didn't reset any driving characteristics from the previous, whoever test drove it. So that's pretty bad. Because my BMW was getting about 400.
You shouldn't be blaming that on the test drive guy. That's all you. That's all you.
Right now it's me. Yeah. I'll take accountability.
Definitely sounds really good. This car comes stock with full active valved exhaust. It sounds very nice. Solid. Reminds me of the Lexus LS460, I'm not gonna lie.
Sometimes does that pop when you re-engage the gas.
Yes. Oh man, dude. Oh, I miss having a loud car so bad. You have no idea. So there's a drag mode, and it literally just chirps every single gear. It is so crazy. Oh man, this thing is sweet.
It has a really cool rev limiter. I'll show you guys there, but there's a lot of cars around us. I feel like I'm not embarrassed when I rev next to someone and they're like, it's like, oh, I didn't do it. It just feels weird.
So here it is, the 2026 Mustang GT. This thing looks, I mean, seriously sweet. Today, he just picked it up and he got the whole front end PPF'd. To protect the paint. Those wheels just look so good. Sweet. I love the fact that it has a valved exhaust from the factory. I think that is so cool. The side profile of this car is it's pretty sweet. So
the one time that I get a car, I love both the front and the back from the start.
Yes. Yeah.
The 440 has the big kidney grills, and it grew on me. This just already comes like
yes. Nice. Yeah. There's not really an angle to this car that's not like enjoyable to look at thus far. Now, obviously, one of the coolest things, actually, you want to pop the hood real quick? Now, here in the Mustang, obviously, we have this glorious 5-liter V8. We got to keep these coming in the newer cars that are being made. And what's so sad is when you turn off the car, you can't hear the engine anymore, right?
Yeah.
So what Ford did in all of their brilliance is they made the car able to be revved on the key.
Insane.
And it's super sick. So let's test that out real quick. So just so you know, there's no one in the car, right? there's no edits. This is not an AI rendering. Go ahead and do that.
Oh, the hood has to be closed.
Oh, of course. Okay, now that the hood is closed, still nobody's in the car.
You gotta press unlock and lock. That I'm gonna use it all the time. I mean, come on, that's
That is so fun, dude. That's incredible.
No one's in the car.
Nobody's in the car,
Yeah.
and they just are out here.
Feature, I mean, even like on the base EcoBoost, they have this feature. Like,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot! I didn't even know that.
They just made it a fun feature for buying a Ford Mustang.
That is so
Doesn't matter
cool.
which one, yeah.
So what's pretty sweet is the interior. It has like this massive, very modern screen that encompasses the entire dashboard here. And a really neat feature that Ford has added in is the ability to change the gauge clusters to many different styles. So we'll take a look here as Ed changes it.
Normal, regular drive mode. It's got the OG speedometers.
Right.
Sport, which is pretty cool. It's like vertical up to down, down to up speedometers. Pretty cool. My favorite one's track. Shelby inspired.
Now do the classic ones.
Yeah, so we got 6768 Mustang, which is literally based out of the old Mustang.
Like that is so cool, dude.
And you know, it's cool that they added that because they have also the Fox body right here, which is pretty cool. Pulled straight from the Fox body and the S2C Turbo, which is sick. You know how it works, honestly. It's cool.
That is really neat. I absolutely love that feature.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty cool.
It
Kind of
is.
bringing all of the memories
Yeah, it does,
for all
yeah.
the other Mustangs into
Yeah.
this one. It's pretty sweet. That's so cool. That is really cool. And it does that literally on the drive mode that he's in.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. So check this out, right? The car comes with full active valves. How do we get to the valves here? This
Press
one?
that right there. So I'll get on a little bit. You can't hear it.
Literally can't hear it at all. That's impressive.
You just play music, no interference with the exhaust.
That is really cool. And then you have two other modes here as well. A little bit. That's great.
It does make differences even with the intervals.
It does. It does. I'd be curious to see how the mechanics work on that. Because
My
as
guess
far
is
as
that the flap maybe opens just so slightly.
oh, that's a good point.
Because
That's a good point.
Two mufflers, one muffler per bank, per left bank and right bank.
Right.
So my assumption is it has total of 4 valves, so 1 per exhaust tip. So I think that it just slightly opens it, and that's how you get that.
Right. Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting. So we're gonna keep the fun rolling. We're headed off to a car show. I'm gonna be taking the Porsche, but before we go, unfortunately, I have to go get a new iPad because I ran it over in my dump truck the other day, and my Meta glasses as well. That's not cool. We got to go grab a new one. This one is done. Shout out to the boys at the Apple store, and $800 later, we got the new iPad. And we're all set to head off to the car show and get some rollers of Mr. Ed Dries on the way over. It does pop like the Lexus did. That's awesome. Unfortunately, you can't hear the Porsche at all. Very sad. definitely totally missed that because I was trying to hit a shift while I was recording. That sucks. Show's actually pretty sweet here. We got these two supercars. We got the McLaren 12C and the Huracan. These are actually my clients for my landscaping company, so it's pretty cool to see their cars out here amongst all the other lineup. We're gonna take a look around. Oh my gosh. Finish it off with the C8 Z06. This thing is absolutely insane. I actually almost test drove one of these last week, believe it or not, but it actually sold 2 days before I went in to go see it. So we're gonna head out now. I gotta head back and get some work done. But really good show. Thanks for the invite, bro.
Man.
Appreciate it. And congratulations on the Mustang. We'll catch some shots of you rolling out here. So the meeting actually got moved a little bit past 8, so that's good. And we are gonna go grab some Chick-fil-A real quick, come back, and then speak with our clients that own the McLaren and Lamborghini. Super excited to see them and catch up. Very nice, dude.
Thanks.
Got the dinner secured. Be a good night. Car shows, food, and business meetings. Doesn't get much better. Never seen a more practical use for my Porsche than to use it for a Chick-fil-A table, am I right? Let's go. 10 out of 10.
Really massive wing.
Oh, not really. All right, great dinner here on the Porsche. We're gonna end it here with Mr. Ed's brand new Ford Mustang. Very excited for him. It's always crazy to see that he's always pulling up with something new. That's for sure. This thing is absolutely sweet. I cannot wait to see what he has planned with this thing. As for now, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.